Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Deepstash app. First, go to the Deepstash website on your computer. Now, using your Google, Apple or email account to create your personal profile. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you'll see various topics like productivity, motivation, success, health, and relationships. Scroll to the homepage to explore trending ideas, stories, and insights shared by other users. Click on Idea card to open it and read the full content. If you like it, you can tap on Save to add it to your stash so you can revisit it later. You can also tap on the share icon to share that idea on your social media or send it to your friends. Now, if you want to organize your saved ideas, go to your profile and create collections with custom name based on your topics. To share your own knowledge or tips, click on New Idea, write your thought, and add relevant tags so others can discover it. You can also follow other users to see their latest posts and interact with their content. The more ideas you read and save, the smarter Deepstash becomes. It will recommend more personalized ideas and insight based on your reading habits, helping you grow and stay inspired every day. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.